Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Taigo R-Line, which is a 1.5 litre TSI Automatic, 150 PS, finished in a King's Red signature metallic paint, which is an additional option on this vehicle. It does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360 degree walk around both the car's exterior and interior. Then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So firstly, taking you around, we have these 18-inch Misano black diamond turn surface alloy wheels, which are an additional option. These contrast really nicely against the exterior finish. Moving up, we do have your black coloured door mirrors, again contrasting really nicely with the rear tinted glass, really finishing off the overall look. Your rear tinted glass will also offer you extra security for valuables stored in the back. Then taking a glance inside the interior, so we have this stunning artvelours cloth, which is another additional option. Isofix points are available, which is handy if you're carrying any children. And then your rear passengers also have access to 2 USB points, so media devices can be charged. Next, taking you around to the back, another great benefit includes your front and rear parking sensors. That will ensure parking is as easy as possible. We do also have the full LED strip across the back. Then taking a look inside this impressive boot space, we have more than enough room to cater for your daily needs, such as your weekly shopping trips. You could easily fit in multiple suitcases. It's very similar to a T-Roc. And then the floor is also variable, so we can also adjust the height to make the floor flat when the rear seats are folded down. Another great additional option includes your keyless entry, which is really handy when you arrive to the car in a rush or with your hands full. And then taking a glance inside the front interior, we have your multifunction steering wheel. This is followed by your R-Line embossed front seats with manual adjustments available to help you and your front passenger find the most safe and comfortable position. Another brilliant additional extra includes your panoramic sunroof, really brightening up the interior and enhancing your experience further. That just concludes a 360 degree walk around. So in the second part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments in the driver's door, as well as your central locking. With your automatic lights just to the right of the wheel. Then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So here we can access some of the car's features without removing our hands. You've got your adaptive cruise control on the left, which will make motorway driving that bit more relaxing, as it allows you to take your feet off the pedals. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can easily customise what you want to see in your active information display screen. This is where you can find all your key driver information and settings, such as your satellite navigation. You can also expand the map. Next, we have your touchscreen infotainment system, where we can access all the car's different functionalities. So firstly, going into radio, we do have access to your DAB and FM radio, providing you with endless list of stations. Then going into media, you'll see we do have your Bluetooth audio, so you can pair your phone to car to listen to your music or make hands-free calls. Then we've got your satellite navigation, as you've just seen on your active information display. This will help you when planning your routes. Then we've got your app connections, so you can seamlessly display your phone apps through the vehicle, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages to keep you entertained. When popping the car into reverse, your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will give off an audio warning, which will help detect your vehicle and anything that is close to it. Then you do also have the additional support from your park assist system. This car features your driving profile selection, offering you preset options to choose your driving style, which again will enhance your experience even further. Got some great safety features on this car, including your side assist, got your lane assist, your front assist for emergency braking, your adaptive cruise control, your driver alert system, and your dynamic road sign display. Another great feature on this car does include your climate controls, offering you and your front passenger individual airflow to keep you both comfortable. So the controls are touch sensitive, it's nice and easy to use. Just below, we do have 2 USB points to charge media devices on the go. Got your keyless start, we've got your automatic transmission. Then panning further down, we have a manual handbrake, a 12-volt socket, some handy cup holders, and some additional storage space underneath the armrest. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Taigo R-Line, which includes a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.